Hello. Doing some more nighttime work, and I asked Michael Bay to borrow one of his lens flare generators. You can kind of see the reflection of the fisheye lens, but let's take a look at what I've done at night, in the cold, after the rain. Let's see, underneath, you can see that the torso axle has got a nut and washer on it, so it's on there nice and tight. And I've had to do a mild repair, reinforcing a elbow with a bunch of Gorilla Tape. And also this bit of PVC snapped off, so I just put a another piece over it and did 2 bolts on each side, and that did the trick. So when the parts snap, it's pretty easy to repair, you know, just 2 bolts, or on each side, 4 bolts total, and 4 washers and a bit of PVC, and it's pretty much all fixed. But things are looking a little wonky at the moment because the vertical torso studs aren't in position, well, at least on the mech's right side, viewer left. But I have the mech's left, viewer right stud installed, which was pretty easy. Just slid it into position and aligned the bolt properly. And probably the big issue is going to be getting the roof on, because the roof is quite heavy, because I use some good old, like, I don't know, 1/2-inch plywood for the roofing bits of it, so it's kind of heavy. I might change over to some lighter weight Luan or project board or what have you. I don't know, I'll have to wait and see how it turns out. But that is all for today, so hopefully next time I won't see you in the dark. Bye bye.